Have you ever opened the Bible ready to find something meaningful, and instead, you just felt lost? Like you've been dropped into the middle of a conversation that started thousands of years ago. If so, I want you to hear this loud and clear. You are not alone. That feeling is completely normal. Think about what the Bible actually is. It's not a single book, it's a library. It's 66 books written over 1,500 years by dozens of authors on multiple continents in ancient cultures that are incredibly different from our own. You've got history, poetry, legal codes, personal letters, and prophetic visions all bound together. Of course, it feels confusing at first. No one would expect to walk into a vast ancient library and instantly understand every single volume on the shelf. So please, let go of the idea that your confusion is a sign of weak faith or that you're not smart enough. It's not. In fact, feeling a little lost is a sign that you're actually engaging with the text, that you're taking it seriously. It's the starting point of a real journey. Every question you have, every moment of uncertainty is an invitation to go deeper, not a reason to quit. The good news is, you were never meant to figure this all out by yourself. Understanding doesn't happen overnight. It grows slowly, with time, patience, and a little guidance. Clarity will come. The story will begin to connect, but it starts with giving yourself grace right where you are. So take a deep breath. Your first step isn't to understand everything. Your first step is simply